Hey, what's up? This is a review of the Prada men's elasticated belt. It comes in this dark blue dust bag with Prada printed on the front in white, and the dust bag has a drawstring at the top. And this is the belt itself. The buckle of the belt is made from a brushed aluminium, and it has Prada Milano Down 1913 embossed on the front with the Prada crest underneath. It's a really nice shiny finish to it. Most of the belt is made from elasticated cotton, but it has some Saffiano leather here just where the belt attaches to the buckle, and here on the belt loop as well, and on the end of the belt. It's a textured black leather. On the back here it has Prada made in Italy and the model number or the serial number underneath, and then it has the size here, which is 80 centimeters or 36 inches. To close the belt, you just feed the end of the belt through a gap in the end of the buckle, like that, and then it has a metal bar going through the buckle which you just pull to the left, and that holds the belt tight inside the buckle. The fabric on this belt is quite narrow. It's only about 3.5 centimeters wide. I just tend to wear this belt with jeans. It looks best with dark coloured jeans like dark blue or black or grey. The price on the Prada website at the moment is about €110 or about $150 in the United States. So that's it for this review. Thanks for watching.